Hello, first grade. Let's go through our calendar routines for today. Today is December 15th. We'll add 15 to our calendar piece. Yesterday was, think about it, yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. And that means tomorrow will be Wednesday. Today is the 15th, so we get to have 15 cents in our piggy bank today. We could start with just pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because we know penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, worth 1 cent. But if you know about trades, then you know I can make a trade with my coins. I could take 5 of these pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I could trade for a nickel, because I know nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Take a look at what we have left. Do you think we could do another trade? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can. We have another nickel. Look at what we have left. Can we do another trade? This time we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I sure hope I didn't lose any money. I had 15 cents when I started with my pennies. Do you think I still have 15 cents? Well, let's see if we have 5 and 5 and 5. Hey, I know how to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. This is just another way for us to show 15 cents. And when I write 15 cents, I could write it this way, or I could write it this way. Now today is the 64th day of school. Let's fill it in with our paint. And if you know how to count by 5s, you can join me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Now we have to count on. 61, 62, 63, 64. We've been together for 64 days. That means we could also add another sticker to our tens frame. If you know how to count by 10s, you can join me this time with 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Another way to get to 64. Speaking of 10s, let's go to our next frame. If you think you know how I'm going to break this up, you could quickly write it on a whiteboard. How would I break 64 into the 10s and the 1s? I'd put the 10s over here, 60. And I'd put the 1s over here, 4. 60 plus 4 is another way to show 64. Now, if you lost a tooth last night, you'll have to lock that story in your memory and tell me tomorrow. Thank you for listening to Calendar today.